First time, but you know what though? It's rewarding though. Once you know you practice enough and learn it. And I'm only in Idaho 1, but I gotta be really careful though. Pick up height, then get out of it, come back down. Man, I tell you what, man, you have your heart beating, dog. So now I'm back in regular flight mode. Man, that is very rewarding. I practiced for a while, man. You know what I mean? I don't know how much battery I got left, but very rewarding. It was only a few weeks ago, a few months ago, I wasn't able to fly like this. You know what I mean? You know, so getting used to the helicopter, you know, just practicing. You know. But like I said, I can use some components on here that could help with a few things. I think I need a more nicer, higher speed responding tail gyro. Well, servo, you know. See, a few weeks ago, that wouldn't have been possible. Now that was scary there. But the thing about it is I learned now not to panic. Yep, I learned now not to panic anymore, like I usually would panic. Flying towards the sun, like, just takes your vision away. All right, guys, I'm chill out. Man, my heart beating fast, boy. So you guys, tell me what you think, man. All right, I'm gonna shut it down. I'm gonna leave well enough alone. I accomplished one of my goals. Been at this hobby, like I said, man, more than 15 years, man, and first Idaho flight ever. So I'm gonna keep studying and hopefully catch the perfect day and record, make a invert flight, make my first invert flight, you know. But it's still a learning curve, you know. So you guys tell me what you think. I know it's more than 10 minutes, so it's probably more than probably be into a 2-part series. But y'all tell me what you think, man. I do this because I love to fly helicopter, man. It's just very rewarding sports, good sports to get into, good hobby to get into. So hey, you know, thumbs up, like, you know, subscribe, share. Like I said, I'm a rookie, man. I'm a rookie. You know, there's all types of RC helicopter videos for everybody. So peace out. Have a blessed Sunday. Much love, Mr. Brown 57. Thank you, guys.